Here's my indoor garden in my bedroom. Here is the kangkong. Is the alugbati. This is from outside. Right now it's getting cold outside in Canada. It's fall time, going to winter, so the weather is not good. So I bring inside. Here's my alugbati and hot pepper. And this will be out. And here's my parsley. There's a parsley in here. And here's my ginger and turmeric. Now, since my kangkong is really growing, I'm gonna cook sinigang. I was thinking to put that in a sinigang. We're gonna do sinigang. So it's harvest time. Gonna have harvest. Gonna have harvest time. Excellent. And there's my sayuti. That's sayuti. I try to bring this one. I just keep growing this one. I just want to make sure it's growing, thriving. I like to bring this one outside for next year, springtime. So we're gonna cut some of my kangkong. We're gonna make a sinigang in here. A sinigang, the famous Filipino recipe. See, I have enough in here. Because they will grow this one anyway, so we cut the long one. We're gonna cut the long one only. So we're gonna cook sinigang. So, see? Libre na kita ng ato gulay. Kung magulay, magtanom kita. So, I don't wanna do ito. I think that's it for now. See? Hamok-hamok na gapon ako na harvest ako kangkong. We can cook now the sinigang. See? We can cook now the sinigang. Actually, this plant is in front the window in my bedroom. See, this is the bed. That's my garden windows in my bedroom, inside my bedroom. Mostly here is indoor plant and the vegetable.